Alright, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Denny and I'm here to help you figure out what's inside of stuff and do some scrapping and everything else. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I hope you will. Today we're going to be opening up this time clock. This was a time clock. You put your little finger here, but the unique thing about it is I believe that there was a really smart woman that lived inside of here and she'd talk to you. She knew everybody's fingerprints. So who knows, when we open this, she might just pop out like a genie. Let's give it a try. Is that gonna fit in there? Oh boy, that won't go down deep enough in there. We're gonna have to try something else. How about this? Will this fit in there better? No, that won't go down in there deep enough either. Huh. What have we got? Let me go and check for something and I'll be right back to you. Okay, scrappers, we're back with a little tiny screwdriver. See if we can get it to loosen them screws. I think I need one that's not quite as small. Maybe this one will work better. That's it. Boy, they didn't want that genie getting out of there. Is that gonna do it? Yeah, that'll do it. So what's going to be inside here? A nice board maybe? A little bit of wire maybe? I mean, they're kind of a pain in the butt, you know, to scrap this little stuff like this, but I always figure it's still better than putting it in a landfill. Because what good does it do there? I mean, some of it's definitely going to go to the landfill, you know, the plastics. You think somebody'd come up with a way to make plastics that are more easily recyclable, and you think the manufacturers would stop putting in the grommets or the mold in where you can screw a screw into so that it makes it more easily recyclable. All right, here we go for the big reveal. Is the genie gonna come out of the bottle? Oh no, but look at all the boards we got going on. We got boards, we got a little battery. We got the Amazon guy outside there. See him? There he is, Amazon Prime, working on Sunday. Just like the old Scrap-Meister. Wow, look at that. That looks like that might be a piece of copper there too. All right, let's get this stuff pulled out of here. I think this screwdriver will work on these. No. Yeah, that doesn't like that either. Let's find a different one. Come on, where are you? Is this one gonna work better? It looks too fat for them little screws. I guess with a little pressure it worked. You have lots of boards between that computer from the last video I shot and these boards. We're gonna be filling up the hoard. Filling up the hoard. All right, there's a little board there. 2 levels. Got gold pins holding that in there. It's got one of those, two of those little things on there. What would you consider that? A high-grade peripheral board? I'd call that a high-grade peripheral board. We got a battery in it though. We got to get that out of there, because nobody likes those batteries in there. All right, let's go over to this one. I think we're gonna have to go back to this screwdriver. I don't know if I need to take that one out. They do have enough screws in here. Well, looks like we got some gold fingers on this we can cut off and save. I'm sure you don't want to sit there and watch me take all those silly little screws out of there. So I'll just edit this part out. How's that? All right, here's the one we've been looking for, that last one, unless there's some hiding under there. Oh, there's one right there, hiding. She was hiding in plain sight. Oh, that was a real disappointment. That's like a low grade board, huh? All right, where does this thing go? Goes into that screen. I really ain't gonna want to mess around, I don't think, taking those out of there. Okay, I'll edit this out again. Just gotta take these 4 screws out. Oh, there, another little tiny low grade board. What is this thing? This is like the latest and greatest, or it was at one time. Fingerprint comparison. Used to be a stock called Comparator Systems. It was supposed to be to revolutionize the credit card market, that your credit card would have your fingerprint on it and everything, and it turned out to be the biggest scam in stock market history. It's a little tiny board on the back of there you can take off if you want. And all right, I want to see what's under this metal part, so I'll edit this out. Okay, that's the last one there, and that screen is like I don't know, can we even get it open? It's like a TV. It's like a little mini TV almost. Tiniest little TV screen you ever seen, huh? It's got gold fingers on it, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to get them out of there. So, one last thing, I'll edit this too, because we don't wanna bore you to death, for gosh sakes. Oh boy, another one here. Look at that. Is that going to be copper? It's either copper or aluminum. Let's see if it's aluminum or copper. Oh my God, it's copper. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to tell all your friends about Scrap-Meister and all that cool stuff. There's probably a little stainless steel right there. Is that stainless? Yep, that's stainless steel. And watch one of the videos that's on screen right now.